music. So that's why we say, all right then, left that one side, we are focused on some different things right now. You get what me I say? Yeah, man, definitely.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Don't know Media Fox, you know. Jano people. Jano. Never want to say that information because when don't know Media Fox go to work. You see me? Yeah, music we love and Jano, I see the situation we are going with Masicka with the copywriting and I said, Jano, one of my biggest song dog, maybe all in biggest song, Whites. Is it? Yeah, where you don't know Melissa. Dog, Jano. Why Melissa hate Masicka so? The last year, me said the man them never drop. Reason why them never bother drop the album because of Hurricane Melissa. Now, one different Melissa come now and put copywriting on the man song to write it. But, you know people, you don't know some information is out. So basically, you don't know she name. Melissa Mays. Izzy or Myers or something whatsoever. So I guess by March 10, 2026, Copyright Legal Department. You see me? 1 RPM. You see me? The subject is a formal copyright ownership dispute and notice of unauthorized distribution. So basically, the team this. I'm writing to a formal notify 1 RPM of an active copyright ownership dispute concerning several music works that I create and own. The works in question are seen. I go wait for click on the next one, you know. So that she said basically Mute, Scope, Whites, Rich Sex. Jano, but it's a funny of them Jano, them 4 songs. Yeah. And them are kind of recent songs, you know, from last year. No, from last year to this year. Yeah, last year from I think something they dropped. Scope last year. And Whites I must be 2024. Rich Sex last year too. Mute. I think Mute last year too. So basically she say, yo, I am the original creator and the originator of these musical works. The songs were written and created by me on May the 4th, 2023. The girl have her date, Jaja, while I was in custody. So it looked like she did lock up. But I owe them something, then all of that reach Masicka door. Jaja, prior to the release and use of these works, there was a verbal agreement regarding the use of my music and audio recording exists, documenting that I clearly state that if my music was used, I was to be compensated accordingly. So, you know, so it look like she don't get no money for all of this. You know, if this is true still, but you see, I don't know, in a contract, look like no contract, no sign. You see me? Look like no contract, no sign or something. You see, it clearly stated that if music was used, I was to be compensated accordingly. Despite this is understanding, these songs were later released and commercially exploited without my consent, authorization, or license, in correction with the artist Masicka. Jano. Yo, people, I hope this Jano, this is a rough funny artist, you see me, cause I never like hear them thing, I tell you. You see me? And I don't know. The contract thing is a verbal. You see me? It's a verbal agreement thing, this. So, seems like no contract thing. Yeah, man, look like it's a verbal thing, this. You see me? I read the other part and I hear what them say. So basically, just in particular, the song Whites was written approximately approximately 90% by me. You know, say next 10% of Masicka include the lyrics, the melody, and creative direction for the music video. Jaja, the unauthorized release and use of these works constitutes, you know, the copyright infringement, breach of verbal contract. So it's a verbal contract, this. That go on. Unjust enrichment through unauthorized commercial exploitation of my intellectual property. On February the 7th, 2026, I submit a DMCA take down notice to YouTube regarding the unauthorized use of these works. After review, YouTube removed the infringing video associated with the recordings because these works may currently be distributed or monetized through 1RPM's platform. Respectfully request that 1RPM wait there because this a continuation. Review the ownership and the distribution status of any recording incorporating these work. Place a copyright dispute flag on any related recordings. Temporarily hold or review royalty distribution associated with the distribute work until ownership is properly resolved. So I guess, she want a fair share. You see me? That she say. Is it? So she say, I affirm under a penalty or perjury that I am the original creator and copyright owner of the works listed above and that their use has not been authorized by me. Jano. I am prepared to provide additional documents including all the recording, creative draft, and supporting material to assist you with your review. Jano, the girl. Well, she well ready for that one, yeah. So if she not a verbal thing, boy, I'm tell you, to the verbal thing, better you have a paper thing written down, contract and them sign and all of them little thing there. You see it, and I guess she did in a lockup, so but hopefully this turn out good. You see me, and things can resolve and the artist can upload back the song them. You see me, cause this would look good in the people. I tell you. So please confirm receipt on this notice and advise me of the next step in 1RPM's dispute resolution process. Jano people. I tell you. It rough still, people. Jano, it rough. But me not lie still. Me I say, yo, Jano people. I understand, say, a lot of artists out there have writers and thing, and and to me, this is not the first. This always go on with a many artists, It's just that, boy, this a time with Masicka thing, and and the specific song, and she said she have all of the file. As me I say, bro, boy, Melissa them not like Masicka to bombard. You see me? One no make him drop him album, and the next one, copyright him have to take down. Yo, Jano. All me I say, just hope say Masicka and him team or whoever just reach out and try solve this and all of them little thing. You see me? Because it's not a good look, people. It's not a good look, and it's not nothing for really celebrate about, because this can happen to anybody. You see me? It can happen to anybody. So I hope the artist team kind of resolve the thing, sort out the situation. Jano, but boy, I know some of my Gaza people are going to beat Masicka, because I see it in a comment and I say, yo, Jaja. But you know, I think something not going with them and them artists and the next person will say, yo, is me so. I don't think them should have even gone out with the Masicka thing, is me, cause this can happen to anybody, people. You see it can happen to anybody. I tell you. So, as me say, I hope Masicka team can sort it out. You see me? But John know that we can't, when the girl goes say 90% people, 90%, as she write the 90% of the song whites. You see me? When I'm big song them. You see, cause I only sang when him go perform on stage, him sing out the whole otherwise a song he does a dash. But when whites him sing out the whole of whites, I guess whites are my favorite song. You see me? But look away from the artist still, Jano. Well, me I said Masicka, you have to go stay far from anybody, any girl when you Melissa, you know, brother. Trust me. Stay far, dog. Cause Melissa and you can't agree, brother. You see me? Melissa can't agree, cause Melissa, Hurricane Melissa, make you drop your album last year, according to what I say. And then this year now, Melissa are throwing copyright on her song. You know, dog. But the way how this state still, the girl have her date for everything. Went to whatever, but the verbal agreement thing, I don't know. You see me? Well, I don't know them are gonna do this in a but what them can start to them can start out, brother. You see it? And you know, she said she not getting a compensation, but well, as me say, people, we have to go see what the outcome, cause we not fully know what go on. You see, we just a work off away. We see the email I say and where the girl I say and everything, and we see say YouTube take down the video them. You can go look for yourself and type in Masicka Scope, Whites, all of them and the Rich Sex and all I think mute. You understand? So people can go there, go look and see what go on. You see it, but Jano, the crooks them supposed to go on easy, you know, and do them thing. But Jano dog, I shock people, cause I shock. I tell you when I see it, I see a bug of people that send me it in my inbox and I say, yo, Jano, this not look good in a dog. I saw Melissa deal with the crooks, so you understand? Like Melissa just want to dry up a swamp right now at this moment. You see me? Yeah, and right now a swamp I try build them thing right now, cause you don't know Gaza thing now with them, and you know. Melissa last year passed through and then this year now and next Melissa passed through, dog. I wish side Masicka see cause brother, one side Masicka saying a dog, right now you have to go right now three side you have to go start say right now, no brother, cause one side the way you sleep on, bro, nah work, brother, but as me say, people just hope say this gets sorted out and the song them can upload. You understand? Yeah, cause you don't know at the end of the day, a music we are deal with. You see it, so we not gonna really celebrate when a man downfall like that. You see me? Yeah, we not gonna do that. Although, I know if I did alkaline or, you know, enough of them would have want to see them thing happen. But, you know, I think still now go a man downfall same way, cause at the end of the day, you know, so dancehall is a competition thing, but something like this, like, yo, it's a damage control thing, you know, cause, you know, if you know, say, yo, all of them song there, although them love hype up some song, but some song are hits, and, cause I think the post, they must say, yo, 4 hits. I mean, I say, hits. I say, brother, I don't understand them, man. You see me? Because at the end of the day, the only song I can say, yo, Ray Water, this are whites, brother. You see me? Otherwise, a song, them are like some hot song, dog. To me. You see me? Just some hot songs. I might do them things still, but I hope the Masicka team can sort out. You see me? Whatever agreement or whatever them did have, sort out that, bro. But John, I not lie still, people. I don't know if this are true or what. I'm not sure, man. I really have the proof, see? But all me have to say, dog, know if alright, if this real, like, know, I think say Masicka, the songwriting thing, bro. Yo, know, I never expect this to like a female. Imagine a female, right? Them type of gangster song, yeah, white, brother. You see me? Yeah. And mute and, you know? I said, John, no Masicka, them thing are going, bro. All of them studio time there. Huh? All of them studio time there, dog. But that if this is true. You see me, people? If this is true, because we don't know the world stay already, you know, sometimes something pop up and you not even know what go on. You see it? Yeah, man. But as me say, I don't want the artists, you know, I don't want the artists lose all of them songs, so you see me? Yeah, man, you see me? Because at the end of the day, him have a family for feed, same speed, you see it? Yeah, man, and you know, who don't want that to really happen? Because I saw a thing set, brother, I just, you know, I saw it go. Could happen to anybody, you see it? But, I know, never expect this with Ronnie Swam thing still, you see me? But we have to just watch and go and see what we go on and see if a song them I go upload back and thing, you see me? Yeah, man, I want to see what go on and, you know, because it seemed to me like that girl that she have everything file up and evidence and everything for sort out. But, you know, if them can get her food, dog, if I saw it go. You understand? Because she have her date, them and everything, brother. You see me? But, I don't know, something not right, dog. Something don't right. You see me? Something not right, brother. That me I tell you right now. You see it? But as me say, people, we have to just watch and see what I go on. You see it? Yeah, man, and that have to go on, man. But you know, you see what crooks them have to really say about this still. You see, me not to see them forward out yet. I just see now the comment like the Gaza people them say, yo, them like the Gaza people them say, yo, if you dig hole, dig two, cause Masicka something out and say your Gaza ship sinking, but come like say Melissa say dirt. You see it? Melissa nah ease up, brother. You see me? So people, I don't know what to say about this, you know. You see me? But I say it goes, so people, big up on yourself, you know, I don't know media facts, you know. Yeah man, that is it.